Magandang araw po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal. Kung ang hanap mo ay mga learning resources, nandito yan lahat sa Learning Pal. Kaya mag-subscribe at i-hit lang ang notification bell ng ating YouTube channel para updated tayo pag may mga bagong videos. Good day, Learning Pals! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're looking for learning resources, then this is the right YouTube channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for new videos or learning materials. And now, let's check the new featured video for today. The Fact or Bluff PowerPoint game template. And I know you are very familiar with this game. In this game, the teacher will show a sentence to the class. And then, the students will guess if the sentence is a fact or a bluff. The teacher will reveal the answer by clicking the thumbs up or thumbs down icon. And then, you will support your answer by explaining why the answer is a fact or a bluff. Are you ready, students? After giving students some time to think of their answers, the teacher will reveal if their answer is correct or wrong. The teacher will click the thumbs up or thumbs down button to reveal the answer. Furthermore, a hyperlink is embedded on the answer, which will proceed to the slide that gives an explanation on why the answer is a fact or bluff. Let us check the next slides. PowerPoint game template will surely make your lesson interactive and will promote student engagement. You can use this as a review activity of a previous lesson, as motivational activity, or as a formative assessment when introducing a new lesson. To download this PowerPoint game template, just visit my TPT store or Teachers Pay Teachers account, or you can DM me in Messenger for a minimal fee for this PowerPoint game template. Thank you! Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video, please like and share. And comment kung may mga questions po tayo. Muli, maraming salamat po! For more learning videos and tutorials, CPD seminars and webinars, DepEd news and updates, and new trends in education, subscribe and hit the notification bell of our YouTube channel. For more learning resources, join my Facebook group. Stay safe po and God bless. Happy learning, pals!